Hi everyone, welcome back. So now let's look at course objectives for piloting small boats. We want to learn how to use navigational tools, how to read charts, how to plan a route, and how to plot a position on that route, and how to pilot a small vessel using the route we plotted on a chart. All right. So let's look at the course outline. So we want to look at charts, the underwater aspects of what's on a chart, and then we want to look at charts and signposts. A signpost is sort of like what you would see on a road map with a name of a road, for instance. Okay, so those are the kinds of things we'd be looking at. And navigational tools, how to use various kinds of navigational tools. Piloting from one point to another, so that's pretty important. And safety essentials. You want to be very careful when you go out in the water because it can be very dangerous at times, and you need to be prepared for those kinds of things. And rules of the road, another very important aspect of going out on the water, understanding how to not run into another boat, for instance. Okay, so let's get going with the course. That's it for this video.